What's up, everybody? MKCJ is here, and I thank y'all for watching. Hey, real quick, I want to give a quick shout out to the artist right there who put that together for me, Miss Candace Martin. I really appreciate that. I got some really great fans, and they make stuff and send it to me, so I really appreciate that. Today, we're going to be making a quiche, man, and that's one of my favorite one pot or one shot in the oven recipes to make. And not just any quiche. I went to my cupboard in the refrigerator and all the produce that I wanted to get rid of, man, we're gonna saute it up and put it in this quiche, and we're gonna have a vegetable quiche. So listen guys, do not go anywhere. Stick around. All right, so I told you guys we're making a vegetable quiche, right? So come over here. What I have right here is some saute. I'm gonna saute some portobello mushrooms. These are baby portobello mushrooms and asparagus. Now when you're making this, you can use whatever vegetables you want. But these are kind of tough right now. I'm gonna soften them up, even though we're gonna bake it in the oven for a while. And then I'm gonna start the sauteing. Now, I'm gonna add some asparagus in here. And I'm gonna add some of these baby portobello mushrooms. All right, and of course, anytime you guys sauteing vegetables, you know you want the natural vegetable taste to come out. Or you just hit it with a little bit of salt and a little bit of black pepper. We're gonna keep it simple because, you know, simple things go a long way. Once we put all these ingredients together, woo, party in your mouth. So I'm gonna saute these up real quick. And once I saute these up right here, it's gonna take about 3 minutes just to loosen them up a little bit. I'm gonna meet you guys on the other side of the kitchen and we're gonna put this quiche together, throw it in the oven, and you and me gonna sit down and have us some quiche, baby. I'm going anywhere. Man, y'all need to go get that smell-o-vision because it's smelling good up in here. All right, so I got the eggs, right? So we're making a basic quiche. I'm gonna give y'all a basic quiche recipe. Right here I have 6 eggs, right? I'm gonna take the 6 eggs. I'm going to add about a cup of heavy cream to that. And then I'm going to add a little bit of thyme. This is totally optional, the thyme. I'm going to add a little bit of basil. That's also totally optional, okay? Then just a little bit of salt, just a little bit, and a little bit of black pepper, okay? And then I'm gonna whisk this together. Check it out, get you a whisk. If you don't have a whisk, because I'm a chef, I got all type of gadgets and gadgets. If you got a fork, that works out fine too. We're gonna whisk this together real quick. Now once I get this evenly incorporated, I'm gonna come back and show you guys what's next. Camera guy, all in the Kool-Aid, you know what I'm saying? So, as you see here, we got our portobello mushrooms cooked, we got our asparagus cooked, okay? So now we're gonna put this whole quiche together. Now, you can't have quiche without cheese, and the basic ingredients for quiche, egg, cream, and cheese. You got those 3 in the pot crust, you got quiche. But what we're gonna do now is add some cheddar cheese to the bottom of this, right? And that's about, you know, about 3 ounces, but you can put how much cheese if you want. Some people like it extra cheesy, some people don't like too much cheese. All right, so I got some cheddar cheese there. I have some pepper jack cheese here, okay? Gonna put that in the bottom of it. And then I got some white cheddar. Man, those 3 flavors together are so good, complements it so well, okay? Then I got some Roma tomatoes. Now, I did not cook these. They're gonna bake in the oven. Now, if I wanted to be a little bit more fancy, I would have roasted these in the oven, but today we're gonna keep it simple for y'all. We're gonna put these Roma tomatoes in here like this, right? Just enough so we can get a little bit of tomato in every bite. Then I got some spinach. I did not cook the spinach because it's also gonna bake in the oven. Man, we can bake that in the oven right there and have a vegetable and cheese pie. You down with that, camera guy? Yeah, but today we're gonna make it quiche, baby. So we're gonna put the spinach over there like that there. And then I'm gonna take the sauteed mushrooms and the sauteed asparagus and put that on top like that there. You know what I'm saying? You feel me? Look how good that looks already. We haven't even started cooking it yet. Look at that. Look at that smoke. Coming out of there like that. Y'all know what that is? That is flavor, baby. You know why? Because we are always building flavors. Y'all got it. All right. So we're going to take that egg mix and then just pour it over the quiche. You gotta pour it slowly and all around because when it bakes, we want everything to bake together evenly, okay? I'm gonna pour that all around, just like that. We are working with something here, y'all. It's gonna soak in and get in there and get on the spinach and get in there. Look at that, perfect, right? Then what we're gonna do, right? We're gonna take this, put it in the oven, we're gonna start in the oven at 425 degrees, and in 15 minutes, we're gonna drop the temperature down to 350 degrees and bake it for an extra 30 minutes. So, sprinkle a little bit more cheese on top, just so y'all can see what we got going on. A couple more tomatoes on top, you know, and then in the oven it goes. So, I'll meet you guys at the oven. All right, so just like I told y'all, 425 degrees, 15 minutes. Drop it down to 350 degrees, another 30 minutes. In the oven it goes. I'll see y'all in 45. Add that up, and that's when I come back and show y'all how the quiche look. All right, so it's been 15 minutes, right? 15 minutes and about 2 seconds, because I need to take a sip of this coffee. I don't know where you at, but it's early in the morning where I'm at. Oh, that's good. All right, so we're gonna drop this down to 350, and then we're gonna let it do what the quiche do. We'll see y'all in a little bit. All right, it's about that time. Pull that quiche out of the oven. Oh man, look at that there. Gonna take this bad baby. And remember guys, when you have a quiche, you gotta let it sit for about 10 minutes. We're gonna let that sit, and then we're gonna cut right into it. Don't go anywhere. Man, camera guy, come on man. I'm so excited about this quiche, right? Usually you put it on the plate. We ain't doing all that. This is my show. And this time, I'm gonna dig right in, because I always wanted to do it. So that's what I'm gonna do. All right, y'all, let's just go in here. Let's see what we got here. Oh my goodness. Y'all see that? Man, got the tomato, the cheese. Let me get a mushroom. There's a mushroom. Got the mushroom. Got some asparagus in there. The spinach. It's hot. It is hot. It's fire. It's fire without it being in the mouth. All right, let's check this out. Wow. Man, that is so good. Okay. Woo! Hey man, that right there, you got the pepper jack cheese, you got the white cheddar, you got the cheddar cheese. I mean, everything comes together so good. The crust, and then we got those fresh vegetables, the spinach, the portobello mushrooms, the asparagus, the tomato. Man, I could taste a little bit of hint of the oregano and thyme that we put in there. Man, this is so fire. Let me say this before I put it in my mouth. That is fire right there, y'all. That is straight fire. Master Chef J. Rod's quiche, it is fire. I'm telling you. Camera guy, we're supposed to be wrapping up, man, but hold on, let me get one more taste. The crust and all that. It's good, man. It's so good. Hey. I'd like to thank all 87,000 subscribers. It was 83,000, went to 85,000, now it's 87. Y'all are the bomb. I appreciate y'all. And remember guys, always keep God first in your life and everything will fall into place. Thank you guys for watching. I'm going back to my quiche. God bless. Now I'm gonna drop this down to 320, 350. If I learn how to use the oven, just drop it down to 350. Fine, I'm telling you.